My name is Al Amin and I am from Bangladesh. I want to say something to the government of Saudi Arabia. Oh, Saudi Arabia, what happened to you that you do not fight in the way of Allah against Israel and America? What happened to you? You should kick out the armies of America in your country. Those who have killed thousands of innocent Palestinian people, you should join Iran and answer them. Iran doing good job for Muslim Ummah, for Palestinian people. You should kick out American armies in your country. What happened to you? And do not accept them as friends. Israel and America, don't accept them as friends. Shame on you, Saudi Arabia. Shame on you. May Allah bless you.